Congratulations! You've just received 1 million banana dollars. First step, stay calm and don't rush into action. Don't rush to buy a brand new banana car or an overly expensive leaf house. Priority 1. Eliminate bad debt. Pay off high-interest debts, such as banana credit card debt. Bad debt is like a leech sucking your wealth. The longer it stays, the more it drains your million-dollar fortune. If you have a leaf hut mortgage, consider paying down part of it to reduce interest costs. Priority 2. Build a strong emergency fund. Secure 6 to 12 months of living expenses safely in the bank. This emergency fund is your insurance against job loss or unexpected risks. Don't keep emergency funds in risky investments. Put them in a high-yield savings account. After clearing debt and building your emergency fund, the rest of your million banana dollars is ready for profitable investment. Financial management isn't about making money. It's about managing risk and ensuring sustainable growth. The most crucial step, asset allocation. Divide your 1 million banana dollars into different risk groups. Basic principle. Diversify. Don't put all your bananas in one basket. Part 1. Safe investments, bonds and cash. Allocate 10 to 20% to capital preservation. Government guerrilla bonds help keep your money safe and generate stable, low-risk income. Part 2. Growth investment stocks. Allocate 60 to 70% for higher profit potential. Invest in strong banana companies capable of growing faster than inflation. Invest in index funds like the Gorilla S&P 500. Simple, low cost, and diversified. Part 3. Alternative investments, real estate and gold. Allocate 10 to 30% for inflation-hedged assets. Real estate provides passive rental income and long-term capital appreciation. Banana gold is a safe haven during market volatility or rising inflation. Age-based allocation. Young gorillas can handle more risk, more stocks. Older gorillas should focus on capital preservation, more bonds, and cash. Important decision. Hire a trusted financial advisor to help design your plan. Advisors must put your best interests first. Fiduciary duty. Proper asset allocation is the foundation of long-term wealth. 1 million banana dollars means you must think about taxes. Maximize tax-free retirement accounts, Banana 401k or Banana IRA. Investing through retirement accounts allows your money to grow tax-free each year. Tax strategy. 1. Capital gains tax. Hold assets longer than a year to qualify for lower rates. Tax strategy. 2. Tax loss harvesting. Sell losses to offset taxable gains. Estate planning. Start thinking about transferring assets to the next gorilla generation. Kids' education funds. Open tax-free education accounts, Banana 529, for your children's future. Expense management. Choose low-cost investment funds, low expense ratios to maximize net returns. Automatic investing. Set up auto investments, dollar cost averaging into index funds each month. Beware of scams. With $1 million in bananas, scammers will target you. Review annually. Reassess your portfolio, especially after major market changes. Stay alert. If an investment sounds too good to be true, question it. Keep learning. Understanding finance and economics is your responsibility. 1 million banana dollars is a powerful tool. Use it to build financial freedom. Begin your journey with patience, discipline, and a long-term strategy. Don't change your lifestyle too quickly. Keep spending reasonable, even as a banana millionaire. Don't show off. Keep your wealth private to avoid unwanted attention. Harness the power of compound interest. Let money make more money over time. Compound growth can turn your 1 million banana dollars into many millions over the long term. Charity. Donate a portion to help the gorilla community. Invest in yourself. Spend on education, skills, and health to increase your value. Keep extra cash reserves. Hold some cash outside your emergency fund for buying opportunities. Don't try to beat the market. Steady returns matter more than lucky wins. Don't invest emotionally. Don't sell out of fear or buy from excitement. Rebalance periodically. Sell assets that grew too much and buy those that dropped. The ultimate goal of 1 million banana dollars is time. Freedom to do what you love. Get proper insurance. Protect your leaf house and health from major risks. Be inflation aware. Ensure your investments outpace banana dollar inflation. Use technology. Leverage finance apps to track investments easily. Avoid overtrading. Frequent trades erode your profits through fees. True wealth is peace of mind, not the account balance. 1 million banana dollars is a great start. Manage it with respect and caution. This journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Plan carefully, act patiently, and you'll achieve financial freedom. Thank you for watching. Wishing you success managing your million banana dollars.